Hello and welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're looking at the E minor chord in the first position. Here's how it sounds. And here's how you play it. Okay, here's the close-up for the E minor chord. We're going to use the second and third fingers, so these two fingers. We're going to put the second finger on the second fret of the A string, right there, and the third finger on the second fret of the D string. So that way, when we switch from the E major to the E minor, it'll be easier that way. So, and then it will sound like this, playing all 6 strings. Okay, let's take a look at the E minor chord in tab notation. Okay, right off the bat, from the top down to the G string, we have a 0 on the lowercase e, and a 0 on the B, and a 0 on the G. That means that all 3 of those strings are open. And then we have 2s on the D and the A. That means that there's fingers that go down on the second fret, and the remaining bottom E string is open as well. Keep in mind that these numbers mean frets and not strings. It does not show you what finger to put on those strings, but what fret to play them on. And then teach your hand by lifting them up and putting them back down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up. Okay. And as always, make sure that you're not touching other notes like this or like that. Put your thumb behind where it's supposed to belong. And that's the E minor. Also, you want to arch your fingers. You know, make sure that you want to make a C big enough to hold a tennis ball or a baseball. So you take that C and you put it around the fretboard to make your A, to make your D. Make sure your thumb is behind the fretboard. Behind the fretboard. Shouldn't be able to see your thumb come over the top. Keep in mind that since you're a beginner, that your fingers are going to hurt at first when you start playing, because your fingers are made of flesh and your strings are made of metal, and metal on flesh, the metal is going to win. So you can probably only do this for like 15 minutes at a time at first, but the stronger that your calluses become, the longer that you can play. I'm also available on Facebook and Twitter at the links below. Also, leave a link in the comments. Show me how you're doing, show me your progress. Click like and share these videos with your friends who want to know more. And if you subscribe, you'll be updated on the new lessons that are coming out. I believe in you. You can do it if you keep practicing. Until next time, guitar class is dismissed.